Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the JOOPSHEE 5-in-1 memory card reader, a versatile device that promises seamless data transfer and more. Stay tuned as we explore its features, compatibility, and practicality. First, let's kick things off with the unboxing and our initial impressions. Opening the box, we find the JOOPSHEE 5-in-1 memory card reader, neatly packaged alongside essential accessories. It's evident that this product aims for user-friendliness right from the start. Now, let's dive into the standout features that set this memory card reader apart. The JOOPSHEE memory card reader offers a plethora of interfaces, including USB, USB-C, an iOS connector, SD card slots, micro SD card slots, and even an iPhone charging port. This versatility makes it a one-stop solution for data transfer between various devices. Unlike some other card readers, this one includes a charging port for your iPhone or iPad. This means you can charge your Apple device while simultaneously transferring data, eliminating worries about running out of battery during critical transfers. Thanks to its high-speed two-way transfer capability, the JOOPSHEE card reader reduces your waiting time significantly. This ensures swift and efficient data management across your iPhone, iPad, Android devices, or computers. What sets this card reader apart is its ability to connect various USB peripherals. Whether it's a camera, TV, USB flash drive, or card reader, you can easily link them to your iPhone, iPad, or PC. Plus, it supports PC keyboard or mouse connections for improved productivity. The JOOPSHEE memory card reader boasts compatibility with various devices. It supports all iOS devices with iOS 9.1 and above, as well as OTG Android phones, computers, and devices with USB ports. It can handle memory cards up to 1 TB and USB 2.0 flash drives up to 512 GB. Now, let's see how the JOOPSHEE 5-in-1 memory card reader performs in practical scenarios. We tested this memory card reader in various scenarios, from transferring photos and videos to connecting USB peripherals. Its plug-and-play design and multi-device compatibility make it incredibly practical. In conclusion, the JOOPSHEE 5-in-1 memory card reader is a versatile and user-friendly tool for all your data transfer needs. With its broad compatibility, high-speed transfers, and simultaneous charging, it's a valuable addition to your tech arsenal. That's a wrap on our comprehensive review of the JOOPSHEE 5-in-1 memory card reader. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights and reviews. Experience hassle-free data management and seamless connectivity with the JOOPSHEE 5-in-1 memory card reader. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech-savvy and stay connected.